Have you ever dreamed of earning a fortune online but felt overwhelmed by the idea of showing your face on camera? Well, you're not alone. The good news, you don't need to. In this video, I'll reveal 9 of the easiest faceless YouTube niches that are not only thriving in 2025, but can also make you rich while staying completely behind the scenes. If you're ready to build a digital empire from the comfort of your home, stick around because this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the meditation and relaxation niche. With the world moving faster than ever, more people are turning to online content to help them slow down, unwind, and find peace. Channels in this niche focus on delivering soothing visuals like flowing rivers, swaying trees, or calming sunsets, combined with peaceful background music or guided meditation scripts. The beauty of this niche is that it's incredibly simple to execute. You don't need to film anything yourself. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer high-quality, royalty-free videos, and platforms like Epidemic Sound provide relaxing music. Many creators even use AI voice tools to narrate guided meditations, which means you don't need to use your own voice. Imagine earning ad revenue or affiliate income by promoting apps like Calm or Headspace, all while helping people find their inner zen. This niche is timeless because the need for relaxation and mindfulness will never go away. Next, we have the tech tutorials and reviews niche. Think about it. Whenever a new phone, gadget, or software comes out, millions of people are searching for guides, tutorials, and honest reviews. This niche is timeless because the need for relaxation and mindfulness will never go away. Next, we have the tech tutorials and reviews niche. Think about it. Whenever a new phone, gadget, or software comes out, millions of people are searching for guides, tutorials, and honest reviews. The demand in this niche is massive, and the best part, you can create all your content without ever appearing on camera. Screen-recorded tutorials are a popular approach where you walk viewers through how to use a new app, troubleshoot common tech issues, or compare products. For example, a video titled Best Budget Smartphones for 2025 or How to Fix Common iPhone Problems could attract thousands if not millions of views. Tools like OBS Studio make it easy to capture your screen, while platforms like Canva can help you create professional-looking slideshows for product reviews. Plus, the affiliate marketing opportunities in this niche are endless. Imagine earning a commission every time someone buys a product through your links. This niche is a tech lover's dream. Moving on, let's talk about the ever-popular Top 10 and Facts niche. Who doesn't love a good countdown or an interesting list of surprising facts? These videos are fun, binge-worthy, and easy to produce. All you need is an engaging script, some stock footage or images, and a text-to-speech tool, or you can hire a voiceover artist from platforms like Fiverr. Topics in this niche can range from top 10 richest people in 2025 to 10 mind-blowing facts about space, or even quirky subjects like top 10 strangest animals you've never heard of. The key here is to pick topics that spark curiosity and keep viewers hooked from start to finish. These videos often go viral because they're so shareable, and with high engagement rates, YouTube's algorithm loves them. Plus, they're great for monetization through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Now, let's shift gears to health and fitness tips. This niche has exploded in popularity, especially since more people are prioritizing their health. The beauty of this niche is its versatility. You can create videos about at-home workouts, weight loss tips, or even nutrition advice without showing your face. For example, you could create a video titled 5 Easy Exercises to Burn Fat at Home using simple animations or stock footage of workout routines. Tools like Blender or Adobe Animate make it easy to create engaging visuals, and you can add a voiceover or text overlays to explain the exercises. This niche is also highly profitable because it lends itself well to affiliate marketing. By promoting fitness equipment, supplements, or online coaching programs, you can create multiple income streams. The demand for health and fitness content will only continue to grow, making this a smart choice for faceless creators. If you're a gamer or even just enjoy gaming, this next niche is a goldmine. Gaming highlights and tutorials are one of the most popular categories on YouTube. You don't need to be a professional gamer to succeed here. Simply record your gameplay, add commentary or text overlays, and you're good to go. Popular games like Minecraft, Fortnite, or even newer titles always have an eager audience looking for tips, tricks, and highlights. You can also cover game reviews or updates, which keep your content fresh and relevant. If you're already streaming on platforms like Twitch, you can repurpose that content for YouTube, saving you time and effort. Gaming channels often have high engagement rates, which means more ad revenue and opportunities for sponsorships. Personal finance is another niche that's blowing up right now, and it's easier than you might think to create faceless content in this space. People are always looking for ways to save money, invest smarter, and build wealth, making this niche both in demand and highly profitable. Use animations, infographics, or stock visuals to explain concepts like budgeting, investing, or passive income. For example, a video titled "How to Save $10,000 in a Year" or 5 Side Hustles to Make Extra Cash in 2025 could attract a massive audience. Monetization options in this niche are abundant, from ads to sponsorships, with financial tools and platforms like budgeting apps or investment services. The key is to keep your content actionable and easy to understand, so viewers keep coming back for more. For all the food lovers out there, the cooking and recipes niche is a fantastic faceless option. You don't need to show your face to create engaging cooking content. Simply film your hands preparing dishes or use text-based visuals and voiceovers to explain recipes step by step. Channels like Tasty have shown how effective this style can be. With food videos being so visually appealing, they're a natural fit for YouTube's algorithm, often leading to higher engagement and retention rates. Whether you're sharing quick weeknight meals or elaborate holiday recipes, this niche is endlessly versatile and highly monetizable through ads, sponsorships, and even cookbook sales. Are you creative? Digital art and tutorials are gaining massive traction thanks to the rise of AI tools and platforms like Procreate. You can screen record your art process or teach viewers how to use design software without ever appearing on camera. From selling your art to offering premium tutorials, this niche offers multiple revenue streams while allowing you to stay behind the scenes. Last but not least, animal and nature channels are evergreen and endlessly entertaining. Whether it's funny animal compilations, relaxing nature sounds, or educational wildlife facts, these channels attract a wide audience. Use stock footage or partner with wildlife photographers to create content. This niche is not only easy to produce, but also incredibly rewarding, as it often has high viewer retention rates. And there you have it, the 9 easiest faceless YouTube niches that can make you rich in 2025. Whether you're into meditation, tech, gaming, or finance, there's a niche for everyone. The best part, you don't need expensive equipment or on-camera charisma to get started. Now it's your turn to take action, pick a niche, start creating, and watch your channel grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Faceless YouTube niches are ideal for those who want to create engaging content without appearing on camera. Meditation and relaxation videos are timeless, offering soothing visuals and peaceful music to help viewers unwind. Tech tutorials and reviews cater to millions searching for easy-to-follow guides on the latest gadgets. The top 10 niche thrives on curiosity, with countdowns and fun facts that draw high engagement. Health and fitness channels deliver valuable tips and workouts using simple animations or stock footage. Gaming highlights and tutorials dominate YouTube, offering endless opportunities for ad revenue and sponsorships. Personal finance content provides actionable advice, helping viewers save money and build wealth. Cooking and recipe channels create visually appealing content without requiring an on-camera presence.